Hi everyone, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. But I have two questions that I want to ask you. Has your child ever said, "Hey mom, guess what? I made my own chapstick," or "Hey dad, guess what? I dissected a starfish"? The answer is probably not. I am here to tell you about S.E.E.K Science Club, which is a monthly membership where your child can receive a STEM and/or a STEAM kit. I'm guessing you're wondering what makes us so special and so different. Well, to let you know, we offer theories tied into practical hands-on skills that your child can utilize anywhere in the world. What can you expect from our STEM and/or STEAM kits? Every month, you'll have the option to choose between 3 activities that are hands-on, and with each STEM kit or STEAM kit, it comes with a pair of goggles, a disposable coat, front and back page pamphlet that has a QR code that will give you access to videos. In addition to that, the actual activity that's inside of the kit. How do you access the STEM and/or STEAM kits? Just go to our website at www.seekedu.org and click on S.E.E.K Science Club. Once you click on the S.E.E.K Science Club, you'll have the option to choose from elementary, middle, and/or high school. And then from there, you'll see the 3 projects that you can pick from. Once you pick those 3 projects, it's simple as 1, 2, 3, check out and pay for your item, and you'll have practical science with theories right at your home. So make sure you sign up for our monthly newsletter, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Bye!